Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Evony game on your smartphone if it is not working as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. Now if you're trying to play the Evony game on your device but the application is showing various different errors and you are not able to enjoy the game smoothly, then this is probably because you are not updated to the latest version. So in order to fix this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Evony and start your search. Once you find the game, just tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on the update button and just wait for a while until the update and installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, you will see the play button once again. So you can tap on it and open up your game, and you will now notice that there are no glitches or issues within your game, and you can enjoy it smoothly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Evony game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.